So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to lock text in place here in Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, just go to the left hand side. Add a text to your design. So I'll just go ahead and add the word lock right here. I'll then make it a little bit larger, just like this. Now, if you wanted to lock it in place so that if you were to go ahead and move it, you won't be able to move it around, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right to the three little bars. There's a bunch of different options right here. We actually want to go ahead beside that to where there's the lock icon and simply just go ahead and press lock like this. Then once lock's here, you can go ahead and you actually can't move it in place. It's stuck. If you want to unlock it, press unlock, and now it's back to normal. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can lock text in place here in Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.